To build the physical backbone for AI in 2026, tech companies are on track to spend over $850 billion in one calendar year. That figure represents a massive, unprecedented departure from historical norms for the technology sector. Historically, platform operators like Amazon, Meta, and Alphabet operated on a cash-heavy model. They used the massive, reliable profits from search and advertising to pay for new data centers directly from their operating cash flow. However, the cost of the current AI boom is escalating so rapidly that even these massive profit engines are struggling to keep pace with the capital requirements. This chart tracks Alphabet's operating cash flow over time. After 2 decades of consistent growth, the second quarter of 2026 saw that line drop into negative territory for the first time, marking a nearly $6 billion outflow. The trend is industry-wide. Amazon reported a $7.6 billion trailing outflow in free cash flow, and Meta saw its free cash flow drop by over 90% year over year. Because the largest tech companies are drawing down their historic cash reserves to fund these builds, the survival of the current infrastructure wave now depends on a shift toward riskier forms of financial engineering. Companies without trillion-dollar advertising revenues are forced to fund their infrastructure through their own customers. These specialty builders and legacy enterprise players are using end-user commitments to bankroll their expansions. This block represents Oracle's $90 to $95 billion gross CapEx guidance for fiscal 2027, a significant escalation. However, Oracle expects $20 to $25 billion of that to be reimbursed by customer prepayments or direct GPU supply, reducing their net cash requirement. CoreWeave, a specialty cloud builder, uses a similar structure. Their $31 to $35 billion 2026 budget is tied to specific multi-year contracts that have already been signed by their tenants. CoreWeave tracks its safety through a $99.4 billion revenue backlog. This scale shows how that massive volume of contracted future revenue offsets the $35 billion in physical build costs they are incurring today. The prepayment model effectively transforms infrastructure from a speculative bet into a leveraged, closed loop where the customer provides the capital for the hardware they intend to rent. When internal cash and customer prepayments are insufficient, these companies turn to the public markets for record-breaking amounts of external capital. Oracle has signaled plans to raise $40 billion in new debt and equity to manage its build-out, a move that recently led S&P Global to downgrade the company's credit rating to BBB-. Vertical integrators like SpaceX represent a third model. They build AI infrastructure primarily to power their own physical systems, like autonomous spacecraft and robotics. To fund the AI segment of its business, SpaceX executed the largest IPO in history in mid-2026, raising over $85 billion in a single public offering. SpaceX manages the capital intensity of this build-out through a dual-role model. While they use the massive compute capacity for their own physical products, they also act as a commercial landlord to external labs to help offset the enormous cost of the hardware. This pipeline illustrates their agreement with Anthropic. By leasing out space at the Colossus One facility, SpaceX receives a steady $1.25 billion pulse every month, helping to balance the costs of its own internal AI training. In this model, a company must function as both a high-end AI researcher and a massive commercial landlord to justify the scale of its infrastructure spend. The $850 billion AI build-out is a dense, interdependent financial network. Capital flows between participants in a circular web of commitments. Oracle's expansion is heavily subsidized by OpenAI's compute needs, while SpaceX's infrastructure relies on Anthropic's lease payments. This creates a systemic risk. If a single major frontier lab experiences a funding shortfall or defaults on a long-term lease, the loss of that expected revenue would ripple through the balance sheets of the infrastructure builders. If these massive backlogs convert to cash slower than the companies currently project, the financial logic supporting this $850 billion build-out begins to weaken. The 2026 AI boom is a massive engineering feat, but it is also a financial house of cards, dependent on every single participant meeting their lease obligations month after month.
Ullu. Knowledge is one of the best investments you can make, and continuous learning keeps you sharp. Subscribe to Ullu on YouTube.